Hi guys, and welcome to Devotion Training. My name is Sam, and I'll be teaching you Swift 5 fundamentals for beginners. So let's talk a little bit about Swift. So Swift originated as a programming language released by Apple in 2014, and that was a version 1.0, and the most recent version, as of March 2020, is Swift 5.2. And this course is set up to get you up to date with Swift 5.2. Now with Swift you can make apps for tvOS, macOS, iOS and watchOS. So watchOS is for the Apple Watch, tvOS for the Apple TV, macOS for Macintosh computers, and iOS for iPhone and iPad devices. So in order to do this course, you're going to need a Macintosh of some sort. So it could be anything from the Mac Mini to the iMac or a MacBook Pro. And if you want to release your apps on the App Store, you will also need an Apple developer account. So let's go ahead and also look at Xcode, which is the software you'll be using for creating the apps. So if we open this up here, and you can click on Get Started with a Playground. Blank Playground. Give it whatever name you like. And this will load up a program like so. So here are some of the things that you'll be learning throughout the course of this course. So we'll go through an introduction to Xcode. We'll talk about playgrounds, variables and constants, and various other topics to get your head around the fundamentals of Swift. Thanks a lot. Please tune in for the next video.